So hi everyone. Let's move on to the next. The next thing is the phase one, which has to do with select your keywords. This is where we do the keywords. So what I want to do now is title research. Let's do the title research. We need a good title in order for our content, our blog post to be on the first page of Google. So how do we do that? We need to choose a title first. So you need to brainstorm a title that is popular among users. Basically, you need to do a search with the title on Google search to get more title ideas and select the one with the least competition. So how do you do this? Start with getting a title. You need to start with getting a title. This is my title. Then you do a research with this title. Let's go to Google. This is Google search. Or you simply just type www dot. This is Google. Let's do a search on Google. That is my first title. So this is what we're looking for. This is what we're looking for. This is the search result. Copy the search result. Go back to your notepad. Place it at the front. Then apart from that, you can, like I told you, once you're doing your search, you also need to do your title. You also need to get other title suggestion. Let's check because basically this is how to cook beans with red oil. So do you add how to cook beans with red oil step by step? Let's try that. Red oil step by step. So copy this, take it to your notepad, then copy the amount which it is. Let us get one idea, one last idea. How to cook beans step by step. You can get ideas here. Okay, we're good. I only have two. So I only have two. So which do you think is the best? Or which do you think is the best? The best is the one with the lowest search results. This is the one with the lowest search results. So this is the best. This is the one with the lowest competition. This is the one that can make you be on the first page of Google search engine. So take note of this. So this is what we've selected as our title. Delete the rest. So thank you all for watching. And the next we're gonna do um, primary keyword research. So let's stop.